40 francs is a good price, but the problem is all these, they're called lanterns, have chips in them. Actually, that one's pretty good. But basically, this one is totally destroyed. It should be round with little notches in it. This one has a big notch. And this one has a big notch. And the reason there's 4 different ones is that they're each different sizes, widths, like this direction. So this is the fattest. This is probably the thinnest. This is, actually that's pretty fat too. Anyway, you gotta watch out. If all those things are broken, it's not worth it.